We've been asked to look at this house. Someone just purchased it, and they suspect that the HVAC system isn't working very well. So right here we have a air handler above elevator mechanical stuff, which I'm pretty sure is against code. This is interesting. 20 by 25 by 5 filter. Pardon me, 20 by 20 by 5 and a 20 by 25 by 5 shoved in there. And you can see there's multiple splices in this condensate line, mold everywhere. And that guy right there caused quite a bit of water damage. Alright, we're upstairs on that same system. Supply comes through here. I want you to see this. So all the returns in this house are pan joists. So here's the trunk done. And then they just use these 3 joist bays. And I suspect that they're pulling in quite a bit of outside air. And needless to say that this house is pretty expensive to have such a bad mechanical system. Alright, we're downstairs on a separate zone. What we have here is a 5-ton unit. And let's just take a second here to examine this duct situation. There's a humidifier that's, yeah. But look at this. This is the supply feed for this air handler. I don't know what it has, like 100 kW in it. It's huge. Lots of cap and tapping going on here. Pan joists. It's just a mess. Absolute mess. Take a look at the panel. That's our supply, power supply for that air handler. Mr. Hicks, do you recognize that logo? We have panned returns everywhere throughout here. So, oh man, we're here in the basement. I think our recommendation is going to be to take that 5-ton unit and split it into 3, split it into a VRF unit and have 3 separate air handlers essentially. And hopefully they'll sign up and they'll get to be comfortable and enjoy this view. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.